I wanted to pop on here and share some fun ways you can celebrate Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating by yourself, with your girlfriends, or with that special somebody. And these are ideas that are outside of the usual, going out to dinner type of deal. Okay, so the first idea is a cooking night. I love a good cooking night. I think there's something so cozy and special about putting together a home-cooked meal and then enjoying it together afterwards. I saw these really cute recipes and cooking videos involving heart-shaped pasta. I tried looking for it at Trader Joe's, but I couldn't find it anymore. I think they're probably really high and probably flew off the shelves as soon as they came out. But just a heart-shaped pasta, and I love a good vodka pasta. I think the vodka just adds a special flavor to the pasta. So I would suggest this as an idea to make together. This looks so delicious, by the way. I've also been seeing heart-shaped pizzas. So I've been seeing people make them together, which I think is so cute. And I've also seen them being offered at restaurants as like a limited edition Valentine's Day special kind of deal. I saw it at Papa John's, I saw it around tables. But I have a question for you guys. So if the pizza is heart-shaped, does that mean you're getting less pizza? I would assume so, right? Because a circular pizza, you get more pizza. But anyways, I think it's so cute, and it's another fun thing you can make together and show your love for each other. Or your love for yourself, or with your girlfriends. Oh my gosh, guys, I saw these on TikTok and people were making heart-shaped chilaquiles, and that looks so cute and so delicious. It's so amazing all the creative things you can see on TikTok, also like Pinterest and other platforms, but this looks delicious. And okay, don't hate on me, but I've actually never had chilaquiles before. It's on my to-do list, so who knows, maybe it'll happen for Valentine's Day with heart shapes. Of course, after your home-cooked meal, you'll want to have some sort of Valentine's Day dessert. So Trader Joe's actually has an amazing selection of Valentine's Day treats. I actually got the raspberry little mousse cakes. They're so good. And then also these mini heart cookies. And they also have this chocolate mousse cake that looks divine. So I think that's the perfect way to end the night with some sweet treats. And also, I'm a fan of enjoying a nice movie after the meal. So recently I've been doing some movie reviews. I love an old classic holiday movie, but this is a good one. Love with the Proper Stranger, starring Natalie Wood and Steve McQueen. Another good one that I reviewed recently is The Apartment with Jack Lemmon and Shirley MacLaine. Both solid choices that I would highly recommend you put on and watch and enjoy your meal after you finish cooking. Another great idea, I think, is having like some sort of like a pottery night. I love getting artistic and creative and like doing arts and crafts together. I think it's a great way to not only tap into your creative outlet, but also get to know someone better. I much prefer that as a date idea as opposed to like going to a movie, because I feel like you don't really get to talk as much. Another fun activity is a wine and painting night. I think that's also a great way to, get creative as well as get to know your partner better. And trust me, I was a little bit intimidated when I went and did this at one time because I am not an artistic person, but the teacher really breaks it down for you. And at the end of the day, it's just like having fun and expressing yourself through painting. Again, those are some fun ideas I have on how you can celebrate the upcoming Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have an amazing day, whatever you're planning on doing, whether, celebrating with that special somebody or having a single awareness day or celebrating with some girlfriends. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Let me know if you guys try any of these ideas out.